What's up, you guys? It's been a while. Got another mod video for you guys. Lexland sent out a new TRD Pro Grille for me to install and do a little review for you guys, and wanted to show this to you. It's really nice quality. Has the Raptor lights and that light bar, as you can see. The Toyota emblems, they come separately and you just have to screw them on to the front of this. Let me show it to you. As you can see, all the screws that hold on the letters of the Toyota emblems. Light bar light, the Raptor lights up here, and it comes with adapters, plug and play into the fuse box. And yeah, really nice quality. Let's try to get this thing installed. So we got some bolts up top here to take out. We got some in the side right here to get to pull the fender back and pop out this side piece right here, the front bumper. And then a couple under here, under the truck. So now for the shutter, we got 3 bolts here, 3 bolts here. Unplug this plug, then we'll take that off and get to that grill. And now we got Phillips head screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll take those off. Alright, once you get out all those screws, you just have to pop out all these tabs. It's quite a few of them. I popped out that side, the shroud, so you can get access to it and just slide it out, just like that. Alright, now let's get the TRD Pro Grille slid in there and pop it all in. Now we'll screw in the screws back into the grill. That holds it. Alright, with everything installed, let's put the front bumper back on. Watch out, girl. Watch out, baby. Watch out. That Lexland grill looks good. Nice quality. I'm really happy with it. Let me know if you guys want me to paint the front emblems. What do you think, black or silver? Let me know. Alright, now we got the grill installed and amber lights hooked up. I wanted to show you just how I did the amber lights to help you guys out. As you can see, I have it routed pretty nice and tucked away. Try to hide the wires, you know. Stuffed it under bolts and zip tied right here to keep it hidden. But yeah, I got it routed over here and put the ground wire on that bolt right there, and I'm using add a fuse, which I put into the first number 10 fuse that's right here. It's always on, so When the truck is on, the amber lights will be on all the time unless the truck's off. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the Lexland TRD Pro Grille. Really nice, and it's high quality, guys. It's not cheap feeling. It's a nice grill, almost OEM style. I'll have links in the description, and 20% off Blue STI with Lexland. Click if you guys are interested in getting this.